Good morning, all of you. So we were going through the chapter salient feature of the Constitution first. Okay, this is first the important features of our Constitution. In previous chapter, we have already discussed about the Constitution, how it was framed and all. Now, in this chapter, syllabus already you people are knowing. First, in the first period, what I took of this chapter, I taught about citizenship. I think that is very clear. Now it's time to see fundamental rights. Clear? So let's see and understand through the help of this slide. So I'm sharing my screen. Is it visible? Others? Okay. Let's understand. Let me enlarge it. Fundamental rights. Okay. Just 1 second. Okay. Fundamental rights. Total. Okay. Nobody is reminding me. I told you people, no? So I will ask some question. Huh? So who will tell me how many fundamental rights were there originally? Krishna. Yes, better.
Sir, there were seven fundamental rights.
One was seventh.
Sir, right to property.
Right to property. Very good. Yes. Right to property. Now lower your head, everyone. Right to property. That was one right which was added when Constitution was framed. But after sometimes article that was given in our Constitution only in a fundamental rights, but in 1976 it was removed from the Constitution from our fundamental rights. Reason behind it, what would be the reason? Right to property, the right was given. So what may be the reason? Who will tell me the reason why this was removed from our fundamental rights and made a legal right? Who will tell me about this? Anybody? Okay. In 44th Amendment, 1978. Okay, just make this. Nobody? Okay, let's understand. There was a reason behind it. If right to freedom means what? Right means what? Right means what we can do. That is given to us by the Constitution. This right, suppose equality right is given to us. So it means we are equal. We can do equally anything. Okay, under the law, limitation of law. So that if a right to property is given, it means we are having rights to store as much as money we can. Okay, some people they started purchasing land and collected, stored too much wealth. Okay, so government was not having any control on that. So poor people they become poorer and poorer, and rich people they become very rich. Okay, so that is why see this disparity. So it created one disparity in our society. That is why it was reduced. Clear, beta? Okay. So total 6 fundamental rights are at present. Total 6 fundamental rights. This is part 3. Total 22 parts are in our Constitution. At present, it is said 25, but 3 parts are included in 22 only. They are subpart. So total out of this 22, if you see, so this is third part. Okay, first part was about the union and state of India. Second part was about the citizenship, and third part is about our fundamental rights. So each fundamental right we will go one by one very clearly, and I'm sure you will understand all the fundamental rights. Okay, so first one from Article C. It starts, don't be confused from 14 to 18 it is given. It starts from Article 12 to 35. Clear? 12 to 35. So 12 is what? Article 12 is what? If you see one by one, no, all articles, it will be very clear to you and you will understand it clearly. Article 12 is the definition of fundamental right, like what is fundamental right. So what is fundamental right? Fundamental rights are some rights, okay, some rights given to us by the Constitution. Article 13 says that if there is any kind of need, the government can limit our fundamental rights, but there is certain condition. That condition should be when our fundamental rights can be limited. If we are doing any illegal activity, means we are indulged in anti-national movement. Yeah, that time we cannot get any kind of rights. And if we are, suppose anybody committed a crime and the person is in jail, so that person also will lost all the rights. Clear? So Article 13 is clear, beta. Krishna Kumar Tripathi, clear, beta? Okay, now we will see each of the rights. Right to equality. Equality, everybody is knowing. I think equality means what? Equality means there is no discrimination. We all are equal. Okay? We all are equal. As you have seen in our history chapters, in past there was division in our society. Division in our society, Brahmanas, Kshatriyas, Vaishyas, Shudras. Shudras, they were believed to be untouchable people. They, upper people, they hated them. Yeah, so that was not good, because the only accident takes place which a person gets born in any kind of community. God doesn't divide us. God doesn't give any kind of a stamp that you are from this community or you are from this community. That we divide. Are you getting? So on this behalf, on this basis, there should not be any kind of inequality. So all people are equal. Clear? This is the basic what I am explaining you. Each article I will explain. Okay. Right to freedom means some works freely we can do. Suppose you are going somewhere, you are traveling somewhere, nobody is stopping you. You are free to move from Gorakhpur to Lucknow or Gorakhpur to Agra. Why? Because you are having this right to freedom. Some more freedoms are, we will see in detail. Right against exploitation. Some people, they force, okay, they force poor people to do some work, and forcefully the people, they do work, and even the people, they do not get any wage, means they do not get money for that work. So that is exploitation. Like children below 14 years, okay, they are involved in many activities which are dangerous, like in company. So this is against exploitation. This right. Next one is right to freedom of religion. Many religions we are having in our India, and we are free to follow according to this freedom of religion. India is a secular state. What is secular state? That we will discuss. Cultural and educational right. We are having the right about to safeguard our culture and educational rights. Some educational institutions also can be set up through these rights. Okay, like Madrasa, like mission schools, like English medium schools. We are doing like some Sanskrit schools, etc. Okay, right to constitutional remedies. This is that right which was addressed as soul of these all fundamental rights. By whom? By Baba Saheb Ambedkar, who drafted our constitution. Why this is special? That also we will see. I think the brief introduction of all these fundamental rights are clear. Okay, so we will see each in detail. See, now, first one, what I told you, Article 14 to 18. After explanation, if anything is left, you are free to ask. Okay, but condition is you have to concentrate here and understand, because this is related to our life, our society, our country, which is in practice too. Clear? So, article number 14, what it says? It says there should be equality before law, equal protection of law. What is this? Equality before what? Before law. You are doing administration, police department. Okay, if anybody commits any crime, the person should get what punishment, what section will be charged. That will be same for our prime minister too, and one poor person too. Understood? Means for same crime, same kind of punishment will be given by our constitution. That is equality before law. Any doubt in this? Any doubt? No? Sana Parveen? Any doubt, beta? No. Okay. Next one. Provision of discrimination. Discrimination. 15 says there should not be any kind of discrimination. Who will tell me what is discrimination? What is discrimination? Who will tell me? Anybody? Shivans.
Sir, discrimination means bhed bhav.
Okay. But as we know English, we do not know Hindi too much, no? So who will explain me in English? Okay, Raj Nandini, you say.
Good morning, sir.
Hi, beta.
So, discrimination means dividing the people on the basis of maybe caste or creed. That is discrimination.
Mark, you also try.
Discrimination means giving priority to some other people and not giving priority to another people for the same work.
Good. You all are right. Discrimination means if there is any kind of thought that the person I should give this price, or I should give this thing to that person and I will not give that person, means there is disparity among our society, that will be called discrimination. Suppose any person is there and the person is giving any government. If we just see example, suppose any government is there are various states, 28 states are. So any government, okay, is giving more facilities to any particular state, and but is not giving any facility to any other state. Okay, so in this way, one state will get all the facilities and second will not get any facility. So that will be called, there is discrimination. Okay, so discrimination is this. When there is no equality, definitely there will be discrimination. Clear? Is it clear, beta? Okay. Now, next one is what? Article 14 clear, 15 clear. 16, equality of opportunity in respect of employment. Suppose you are getting a job, you are preparing for any civil services or any kind of job. So there, all the people of India, they should get equal opportunity in respect of employment. Government will give you equal opportunity. Clear? But at current, this cannot be said there is equal opportunity. Why? Because there is a reservation system. But reservation system is also very necessary for the growing of the backward people. When Constitution was drafted that time, those who get a reservation now, that time their condition was very poor. So to improve their conditions, this was given, reservation system was given, so that they should also get opportunity and they will come to equal, they will become equal to all the upper people too. That is why reservation system was started. Clear? So in this way, equality of opportunity in respect of employment was also given. Clear? 16 is also clear. In this government job or any job, you can understand. Clear? So once again, you see equality before law, equality, same punishment, same crime. Okay, prohibition of discrimination. Okay, equality of opportunity in respect of employment. Okay, 17 is what? Abolition of untouchability. This already I have taught. Untouchability means what? Untouchability means the people like Shudras in the past, they were treated very badly. They were not given respect. Even they were not allowed to sit on chair. They were sitting on ground. In what pot, drinking vessel, upper people, upper caste, they were using to drink, that was not allowed to drink for lower people, Shudras. So for this only, the government means our constitution gives this right. There should not be any kind of untouchability. If anybody spread this, anybody do this, so the person will be found guilty by the law, by the constitution. 17 is also clear. Okay, 18, just see 18. 18 is what? Abolition of titles. Titles means, like some people say Khan Shah, some people say Bahadur, Sher Bahadur, some people say the great person, okay, Maharaj, Maharaja Dhiraj, like this. Means any title which gives, any title which gives a person, which proves or which gives a person a standard, okay, that a person would consider that I am at high rank, okay, although the person has not done anything, but only by the title only, the person is given a type of award. The person is very famous in the society. The person is like Maharaja Dhiraj, like Lord, like, okay, are you getting? So these kind of titles are abolished now. Any doubt in abolition of title? Any doubt? No doubt? You are having doubt? Okay, but before asking, let me tell one more thing. This is not applied when you get any educational degree, and as well as in army also, if you get any kind of title like colonel, like lieutenant, clear? So this will not be applied on that title. And in like doctor, engineer, okay, so this will also not apply it on that. Why? Because this is related to education, their hard work, and in army related to our nation. Clear? Okay, now ask.
So the reservation system, like equality of opportunity when we were studying, so that reservation system only for few years it was executed, no?
Yes, beta.
And
It was for only 10 years, but
yes, sir.
there was one survey after that. It was found after survey that time the condition was not so good that it could be removed. Okay.
So
Today also,
still now also.
today also in some parts, if we are belonging to these cities areas, no urban area, if you go in a rural areas, you will see that today also somewhere reservation is needed. Okay, there is, I agree, I do agree that there is some loss of that who are not getting that reservation system. I also do not get reservation, but there is a reservation system needed if we see country together. Okay.
Sir, but no, this is a type, means it is dividing the country. Whenever we say for the scheduled caste or scheduled tribe, we are giving reservation. Okay, if they are good in studies, means everyone should get that chance. No, unless we are dividing again by this rule, I think.
I understand your concern. Okay.
Sir,
We
because if
also
all
sometimes we also feel that it is not good, but for the country's development and all, this is needed, and this is that matter. No, nobody can prove this is wrong or this is right. One section of people will say this is good, those who are getting, and one section of people, those who are not getting, they will tell that is bad. So as I am teacher, I will see the countries, and I cannot say any kind of word against the constitution, because our constitution is the best constitution in the world. Okay, and those who drafted, they are marvelous. Okay, so abolition of title is clear, beta, in all 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. Now next one is what? Just right to freedom. Right to freedom. What is this? See, just understand it very clearly. And thereafter, you can note down Article 14 is what, 15 is what, 14 is what, 14 is equality, okay, before law, 15 is what, 15 against discrimination, 16 is what, 16 is about the type, about 16 about that employment, okay, 17 about untouchability, and 18 about the titles, removal of titles. Now, Article 19 to 22, there is freedom. There is freedom. But 19 only gives six kinds of. Usually it was 7, but now this time it is the 6 types of freedom. So freedom, the word itself says I am free. Okay, and that word, which is, if it is given, that freedom word is given to anybody, it means the person is free to do anything. But what we can do according to our constitution, that we will do, and nobody will stop us, nobody will interfere in our matter. Let's understand what is this. Article 19 says freedom of speech. We are free to speak. We are free in open. We are free that to collect, to gather the people and address the gathering. That is our freedom of speech. In this, we can also speak against of the government. Why? Because there is our, that is called our expression. We are expressing what we are feeling. Okay, if I'm feeling bad of any law, related to any law, if there is something in my mind that this law is not good, this law should be like this, so I can express my view. That is freedom of speech. Clear. Second one is assemble. I can assemble a person, people, they can assemble. Okay, they can assemble means if they can gather, okay, and they can discuss something. Clear, beta? So we are having freedom of speech, or we can express our view. And second one, we can assemble. So for assemble, for gathering, there is no foundation. We can, but remember, there should be peacefully gathering. It means what? It means no arm. And suppose people, they are gathering and they are having gun with them. So that is not called freedom. That is against of this law, and there will be penalties, or that person will be arrested. Clear? Next one is movement. There are, and after assemble, we can form some association too, like you are knowing, no, NGOs. Okay, NGO or any other organization, like you are knowing student organization, any party, any trade union, any kind of organization or association we can form. Clear? According to Article 19. These all will come in 19 only. Freedom of speech, we can freely say anything, and thereafter we are gathering people, okay, and thereafter we are forming association, and then we will move from one place to another place. There will be no any kind of foundation. Means we can, previously it was there that some foundation was imposed regarding that Jammu and Kashmir, but now this is not there. Why? Because Jammu and Kashmir is now that time it was having Article 370 and 35 that made Jammu and Kashmir special, but this time every state, every union territory is same as UP and all are. So we can enjoy this also, the freedom of movement too, and we can settle, we can purchase any land, we can buy any land in any state, and we can settle, and also we can start any kind of occupation, any kind of profession. Clear? So Article 19 is very important, beta. This gives us certain freedom, like we are speaking, that is our freedom. We are expressing our view, what is in my mind, I can express, that is my right to freedom. I can assemble, people can gather, that is also one right. People can move from one place to another place, that is also. Settlement means I can construct my building and I can settle in Lucknow or in Bengal or anywhere, okay, in India, and I can start any kind of profession because that is my right. Clear? So these things are in right to freedom. Clear? 19 is clear. So 20 is something different. You have to focus more on that. Up to now, I think everything is clear. Shivans, clear, beta? Up to 19? Clear, Parth? Ayushi, clear beta? Okay. So now see, article number 20. What is this? Let's understand. Article 20. Before Article 20, let me also tell that you are knowing this freedom of speech, expression, assembly, movement. Okay, this all can be terminated for some time, can be suspended for some time when there is threat of for nation, and when you will be involved in any kind of anti-national movement. Okay, this will be applied for everyone. Clear, beta? Okay, now Article 20 says protection against conviction for offenses. It means suppose a person has committed any crime. The person has committed any crime, so that person will be punished by the court. How it will be punished? How it will be punishable? The person will get the punishment as the punishment is mentioned in the Constitution. Suppose the person has committed crime today. Okay, today is 8th of July. And on 9th July, one lie changed. Suppose for theft, there is one punishment for 2 months jail on 8th of July. And on 9th July, there is amendment in Constitution. There will be 3 months of jail or 3 years of jail. Okay, the person has stolen, means the person has done the thefting on 8th, not 9th. So the person will get the punishment which was applied on 8th only. Are you getting what I want to tell you? Same date, what was the same date crime, what was done? So what was the punishment on that day? The person will get that only. Doesn't matter the punishment is changed or enlarged or reduced, nothing. Doesn't matter. Okay. Second thing, the person will be punished only. The person will be punished only once. Suppose the person has done thefting here only in Gorakhpur, and the person is getting punishment from MP also. MP police is also punishing, and Gorakhpur police is also punishing. So this should not be done. One person for one crime, one punishment. That should be. Okay. So this is Article 20. Second thing. First one is clear, that same punishment, same crime, what was applied on that day. Second was what in Article 20, the person will not be given twice. Okay, the person will not be given the punishment twice for one crime. Okay. Third is what? Third is very important. You are knowing, you people watch movies also. The police, they torture sometime to accuse, and they torture, and the accused sometimes they say, yes, I have done crime. Okay, so that statement is recorded and present to court. Court doesn't listen the police statement. Remember why? Because we cannot be forced, we cannot be tortured to accept our fault. Okay, understood or no? If willingly we are accepting, then we can. So this means nobody can force us. This is Article 20. In Article 20, any doubt? Same punishment, same crime. Okay, once only, not twice for same punishment, and cannot be forced. Clear, beta? This is clear 20. So let's understand 21 also. And you are knowing this is called this 20, 21, okay, and 22. They are called no strongest fundamental right. Why? Because there is one reason. Reason is what? These fundamental rights, you are knowing emergency. Emergency, when president declares emergency. You are knowing this emergency. during emergency, all the fundamental rights will be limited. Means we cannot enjoy the fundamental right. But these fundamental right, Article 20, 21, we can. Yeah. So 20, 21, this will not be removed, limited, even there is emergency in our nation. And this all 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, this all will be limited. If there is emergency, we cannot enjoy these kind of freedoms, these kinds of rights. Why? Because there is emergency in our nation. Clear, beta? 3 times emergency were imposed in India. Okay, 65, 71, 75. So that emergency, during the emergencies, two articles, 2 rights we will be getting. And this right, even those who are in the jail, they are also getting. Like what? Those who are in jail, they are also getting their advocate. Okay, they are also living life. That is also protection of life. So let's understand Article 21 is very interesting too. You're knowing protection of life and liberty. We are having that right. We can protect our life. Okay, we can protect our life. We can enjoy some liberties like living, eating, and all, sleeping, sitting, reading, studying. These all rights we are having because this is related to my life and I'm free to live my life. Clear? It doesn't mean that I'm committing any crime, I'm stealing for my survival. Okay, I'm stealing money for my survival. This is not my right because I'm doing wrong thing. Understood? So I'm having the people, they are having their right to live their life. Clear? Next is what? In Article 21, Article 21 says that suppose, okay, tell me one thing. If there is any vehicle which is causing pollution, too much pollution, or if I'm driving bike without helmet, so police will catch me? Yes or no? On which of these, on the basis of which of this article, which freedom? Who will tell me? Who will tell me? Okay, Akshita. Yes, beta. Article 22. It is Article 21. I'm having that right to live our life, live my life. We are having that right. But it doesn't mean that we willingly push ourselves in danger. Yep. Okay. Article 21. Thereafter, in 1986, one amendment was done that was applied on in 2002. 21A, that is said that right according to which all the people, those who are 6 to 14 years of age, they will be getting education. This is compulsory and free education to all 6 to 14 years of age. That is article number 21A. Clear, beta? 21A is clear? Okay. Now, Article 22. Article 22, as you can see, protection against arrest and detention in certain cases. What does it mean? It means what? That protection against arrest, if anybody is arrested. So what rights are given to that person who is arrested? Let's understand. Firstly, the person will be informed on what charge, on what crime the person is being arrested. Clear? The police are those who are arresting. They will definitely inform this on this charge, on this basis, I am arresting. Second thing, the person will be presented before judge, before magistrate within 24 hours. Within 24 hours. Remember, just understand concept. These rights we are having, that if anybody is arrested, so the person should be informed. If without informing the person is arrested, so person can claim, can go to court, and the person who has arrested, means policeman, will be called in the court that explain why have you arrested without information. Clear, beta? So that is first. Second right, before 24 hours, the person could be presented before magistrate. It means what? Suppose, okay, tell me one thing. Suppose a person is arrested in South India, Tamil Nadu, and would be presented in Allahabad, like Prayagraj court. So definitely it will take 36 hours to come. It will take no journey. Suppose the person is coming by train. So 36 hours it will take automatically. That time what will be done? That time, remember, no, if working days are, means if Sunday is there, if traveling time is there, so that will not be included in these 24 hours. Clear, beta? So if any person is arrested on Saturday, so Sunday will not be counted. That in that case, the person will be released or will be presented before the judge, before the magistrate on Monday only. Clear? Is it clear? Traveling time also will not be included. Next, right, what the person who is arrested is having, that the person can have any advocate, whatever names used, when names are suggested by the person. Okay, the person will be given chance, will be given that right to have to ask any advocate, okay, to take up charge of this case, of that case. I think Article 20, 21, 22 is clear. Too many rights are, and they all need focus only, concentration. Sometimes you will feel these looks like similar, but there is difference, like protection against conviction of offense means one crime, one time punishment. What punishment was applied that time, that only punishment will be given. Clear? 21, the person that can have the freedom of living life, okay, and the person can get some some rights to live life, that I will tell you in a right to privacy. Our next topic is there. 22 is what, who is being arrested, the person is having what rights, that is defined in article number 22. So in this, any doubt is there, beta? No. Okay, let's finish two more topics. Right to information, that is given in your book, right to information. Okay, I will accept your request just after 2 minutes. Right to information, RTI, that was started in 2005, and I can say this is the best thing which was started in 2005. What, according to this, if you want to get any information about anything, but remember the national security matters, okay, army, these things are not applied in this regard. Just keep this in the mind. And if you want to seek any information from any government official or anybody, suppose a person has got the job of UPSC level, and you are having doubt the person is not eligible, so you can just ask the government, I want to know his qualification, his mark, when he studied, when he qualified this exam. Understood, better? This is one example only. You want to know any information about the government official, about any institutes, you can ask through RTI. This is not very costly. Okay, you just ask some queries under a right to information and just give to the government, and government body will give you answer in within the time. Okay, is it clear? So this is that right. Under this, we can inquire anything. Yeah, but remember, we cannot inquire the politicians' salary and all. Their with whatever they are getting. Okay, and also we cannot ask anything which is related to national security and all. This right to information is clear, beta. Suppose I want to know about Parth, that where Parth was born and what rights he have, what his property he is having. So I will not ask to Parth. I will go to government official like Kachari and all, and I will ask, and they will give me answer. They will give a copy. Let's see whatever information you want. Just see this. Clear? So this is applied everywhere. And what I told, where it cannot be applied if the matter is of national security. Clear, beta? Okay. One more is their right to privacy. Right to privacy is what? Some work we do, some work we can do. Okay. Some works are there, you can understand, which is done privately. Okay, not open. Like I'm sleeping, so I cannot sleep on that choraha, no, like this. My bed will not be there on road. So that is what? That is right to privacy. I will sleep in my room only. Clear? I can live my life, and like some more things are like if some people they are getting married, so that is their life, that is their privacy, what life they are living. Clear? What relations they are having, that is their life. Next in one, if I want that I should be living at my home alone, so nobody will force me why you are living alone. Okay, just live with me or live with some people. So this cannot be done. Why? Because right to privacy is also one kind of right that is provided by our constitution, also which is looked after by our Supreme Court. Okay, so like it was not started, it was not in original constitution, later it was included in our right in 2017 by the Supreme Court. You are knowing the courts, judicial bodies, they are original safeguarders, means they are only the guard, they are only the body, they are only the protecting us from different things. Yeah, if government is violating anything, if government is doing anything wrong, the court will ask the government to not to do that. Yeah, so we are very blessed that we are in India, and India, the constitution is the best constitution, and the best thing is that we are having judicial body, and that is free from any control. Yeah, beta? Okay. Next one is what? Personal choice. Like if I'm opting any job, okay, that is my choice. My father was doing what? That doesn't apply on me. Clear? Okay. And if I'm belonging to that community which is in the minority, so that nobody will force me to follow the certain kind of thing, certain kind of cultural events, some certain kinds of any customs. Why? Because that is my privacy. I can follow my religion too. That on that basis, in a detail, one right is given. Okay, right to freedom. So that right to freedom of religion we will see. So in this regard, whatever we have seen, once you see right to equality, right to freedom, we have already finished. A right against exploitation we have to see. Okay. Tomorrow we will see against exploitation, freedom of religion, cultural educational rights, and all. So these things, and thereafter fundamental rights, fundamental duties are, we will be finishing. I think this will take 2 or 3 periods more. One more thing I would like to tell you that this time I may give you questions from between the chapter 2. So be prepared for that also. Okay? Because you are at home only and you will be giving examination from home. So I know what maximum people will do. Okay, so is it clear, beta? This right to equality, once you see on a screen, whatever is given, right to freedom. Okay, 22 we have finished. Right to information also. This we will be seeing tomorrow. Regarding this, if you are having any kind of doubt, you are free to ask. You will share. Yes, beta.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning.
Sir, I have doubt in Article 20. Sir, in that you have said that if a person does any crime, then on a specific day he will be arrested on the next day. So, sir, if he will be doing the crime on that particular day and after that next day he does any other crime. So,
Two times
sir,
punishment. That is another crime. No, that is not same crime.
yes,
Okay.
yes, sir.
If you are stealing 100 times, so 100 times, suppose one punishment is given, 100, 1 rupees stealing 1 slab. So 100 rupees, once you are stealing, so 1 punishment will be given. But 1 rupees 100 times you are stealing, so 100 slabs you will be getting. Understood now?
Okay,
I'm just giving example. Okay.
yes, sir. Thank you.
Okay, Krishna. Asuda,
Sir, Article 22, preventive detention, I have not understood.
preventive defense. Okay. It means what? There are many more things which are not given in the book, but I want to tell you. Okay, we don't have time, but tomorrow just remind me, I will tell. Okay, just 1 minute, 2 minutes will take, because this is very good to know. 22, he has asked, under 22, many things are better. The main thing what you have to know, suppose a person is being arrested, the person will be informed. Suppose I am arresting, I am policeman, I am arresting you. So I have to tell you why I am arresting you. Clear? Second thing, you have right to hire your advocate who will fight your case in the court against the government or against the administration. Third thing, you will be presented before the magistrate within 24 hours. The traveling time will not be included. Clear, beta? Krishna, clear? Any doubt? If it is clear, then lower your hand. Instant.
Sir, this all articles we have to learn.
Article?
Sir, all articles we have to learn.
Beta, that is part of syllabus, so we have to. If you
Sir,
learn,
all
that will
documents-
be very helpful for you. You are knowing in civil services, those who prepare for civil services, this is very important for them. And whatever I am telling you, this is part of that. If you prepare today and if you are planning for that civil services, no, so that time you need to only just revise that topic. Okay, this is very important. You have to learn. You have to understand. Krishna, what happened, beta? Still you are. Anybody else? Okay. So in Article 22, just understand what is more given. You are knowing MISA. One MISA was there. MISA was what? Maintenance of Internal Security Act, which was in the beginning. That was what? MISA. Okay. Many people may ask what is MISA. So you should know. MISA was what? If anybody was involved in any kind of anti-national movement, so the person could be arrested without any information, without any these 22 rights. 22 article will not be applied. Why? Because the matter is of national threat. Clear, beta? Misa is clear. Okay, one more thing was given there, that Rasuka. Rasuka, you are knowing? RASUKA. Rasuka. Have you listened or not? This, I can say, at present, this is a very dangerous Rasuka. If it is applied no on any person, so this is this gives right to police, that police can shoot anytime, anywhere, if there is Rasuka. Clear? And still it is still. Rasuka is clear, beta? POTA, you are knowing POTA, POTA, POTA. What was that? Prevention of Terrorism Act. Means anybody, if police are police is having doubt that person is having a relation with the terrorism or terrorist, or person is giving some facilities to terrorism or helping in any way, the person on whose doubt is there, the police can arrest and there will be no bail, no right. This Article 22 will not be applied on that person, and the person will have to be in the jail for 6 months. Clear? So this is not now today. Today, our Supreme Court has reduced. Why? Because Tada, Pota, and Misa, that was right. No, police sometimes police took advantage of that. Yeah, but Rasuka is still there. Clear, beta? ESMA and many more law is there that we will discuss. It is given in your, I think, yes, it is given in your book also. So today, if you are having any doubt regarding this, what we have seen, no? Okay. So tomorrow we will be discussing next. Okay. Thank you very much.